Hey guys, it's Tropic Gamer. This is my first YouTube video. Today we will be unboxing some AirPods. Took the wrapping off just to make it easier. The AirPods are in here. Yep, here they are. And do not get these off Amazon because they're $200. Get them off Apple because they're $160. It's weird what Amazon does. I will also be teaching you how to connect these to your phone. So let's do that right now. So you go to settings on your phone, you go to Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is already on, you don't need to do this step. But if it's not, you do this step. You turn Bluetooth on, you open up your AirPods. They pop up on your screen, you press connect. And there you go, guys. They're connected, and that's the unboxing of the AirPods. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video.